Today unboxing is on the Tarmac Works RWB 930, which is also a China exclusive. I purchased this from Diecast Toyz Singapore. You can always refer to their web link down below. Unlike the rest of the Tarmac Works, which comes in a standard display case, the dimension for this packaging is smaller, and it comes in a flip box instead of a sleeve for the packaging. Design wise is simple, just a grey with a combination of red, which is a symbol for China. A collector card is included, the number is 387. I'm not really sure what's the total quantity produced, and also the cover for the container to replace the clear display. To replace, simply slide out the clear display. And slide in the cover for the container. And here you are, the signature Tarmac Works container packaging, which is great for photography. And now for the main focus, which is the casting. And just like other Tarmac Works RWB Porsche, the details are impeccable. The finishing is flawless as well, with a very nice color combination of silver and red. As always, I think that the headlight is the winner, and also small details such as the wiper and also the realistic wheel set. And also the nice minor details around the casting that enhance the overall realism for this Porsche. Yes, the wheels are able to roll. I can't say it's fast or fantastic, but yes, it's able to roll. In conclusion, the RWB 930 is an awesome release by Tarmac Works. This casting will sit very well with the rest of the Tarmac Works RWB Porsche, which I think is great. What I love is the color combination and overall details that is very comparable to the real thing. And of course, this casting will look excellent with the Tarmac Works signature container on the background. Time for some diecast photography, more videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!